advertising that inside the forest, the sale is on, and everything must go. And this chipmunk is power shopping, gathering nuts for the winter while supplies last. His cheeks can stretch up to 3 times the size of his head. Nut collecting is serious business. By late fall, he will have amassed about 6,000 nuts, all stored in his multi-chambered underground burrow. He'll spend the winter in there, alternating between sleeping and eating. But shopper beware. Pickpockets are everywhere. This guy has got a better idea. Why drive yourself nuts running around the forest when your neighbor can do it for you? But he's spotted. Cheeks filled to bursting. Never mess with a chipmunk's nuts. Hey. The nut thief is sent packing. Shopping can resume with caution.